County in southern Maryland until 2:30 p.m. At 1:51 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near St. Clements Bay to near St. Inigo's Creek, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Lexington Park, Leonardtown, Piney Point, Tall Timbers, St. Inigo's Creek, St. Mary's City, St. George Island, St. Clements Bay, St. Mary's River, White Point Beach, California, Patuxent River Naval Air Station, Bushwood, Clements, Able, Valley Lee, Scotland, Great Mills, Drayton, and St. Inigo's. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Tidal Potomac from Carl Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia until 3:30 p.m. At 1:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Breton Bay to Point Mill Point, moving southeast at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds and hail. Locations impacted include Yokosuka River, Breton Bay, Point Lookout, St. Clements Bay, Coles Point, mouth of the Potomac River, St. George Island, White Point Beach, Southwest Middle Grounds, Tall Timbers, and Piney Point.